heart is beating hard, and you're still in disbelief that you just got into a car accident. So what do you do?
Hello, this is Ken Hardison. Accidents happen real fast. Over the past 30 years, people get in my office and they were confused at the time of the accident. They were shocked. They didn't know what to do. That's why we put together this app. It's a step-by-step guide with checklists, what to do, what not to do, to help you preserve the evidence so that when it gets time for you to be justly compensated, that the insurance companies don't have the ability to start throwing up red herring and saying, well, you can't prove this and you can't prove that. First thing I want you to do with this app is go to the medical information tab and put in your allergies if you're allergic to penicillin, or if you've got a pacemaker, or you've got steel rods in your back, anything like that can help them so that they don't do anything to hurt you worse. You want to put in your contact information in case that you're incapacitated. You can give this to the medical people at the scene, because when you get in an accident, you want somebody to contact your loved ones and let them know where you're at. So take it right now, fill that out. That's be one of the most important things you do with this app that can save a lot of headaches and heartaches down the road. Two big things on this app is the law cam and also witness statements. Now, I encourage you to play with this so that when something does happen, that you're not there trying to figure it out. I can't tell you how important it is for you to do this. I've tried cases where police didn't take pictures of the accident scene and there's skid marks, and somebody was saying they won't go over the speed limit. But, of course, if we had had pictures of the skid marks, we could have shown that he definitely was speeding. And then what happens is, by the time they get to our office, it's rained, and you go out there and the skid marks have been washed away. Also important with statements, because once you get it recorded, they pretty much cannot go back on what they said. You're going to get the honest truth about what happened, which is very, very important. Their memories fade, and I can't stress that enough, because I've seen where people that were entitled to serious money for serious injuries were not compensated because witnesses disappear, the evidence has been tampered with or evaporated, and this app can help you from running into those same mistakes I've seen my clients make over the past 30 years. Now, the other thing that we've included on this app is a blood alcohol indicator, and we do this as a public service. What we think this can do is that you can help your friends. We see people that are drinking, their judgment, of course, becomes impaired, and so they think they're okay. So this able you to subtly go and show them all this stuff, and then either get them to give you the keys or give somebody else the keys, or get a cab. We're also adding a feature that can find a cab for them very quickly. What this app does, in a nutshell, it helps us really prosecute your case. This personal injury kit is not just for auto wrecks. It's for work injuries, slip and falls, dog bites, defective products, any type of injury you might get. And we want to make sure that your teens have it on their phones, because what we've seen over the past is that young drivers tend to get intimidated by adults who are aggressive, and they try to take advantage of them. And by having this app, it can prove that they are in the right and that it's the other party's fault. So it's a great thing for your teens to have, not only for them, but also for you in the long run when it comes to insurance rates. If you like our app, I want to encourage you to share this with all your family members, friends, people at work. Put it on your Facebook page, text it to your friends, email it, tweet it, share it with everybody you know. And if you think we can make it better, I want you to let us know that, because our commitment is to make this the best app in North Carolina for injured victims. But if there's anything you can think of that can make it better, please get in contact with us. You can email me, ken@lawyer.nc.com, and we'll get right on it. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and I want you to know that if there's anything we can ever do to help you, whether you hire us or not, we'll always be here for you.